3 red flags to look for when interviewing a contractor. Hi, I'm Brad Hogan with Hogan Design and Construction, your trusted remodeling guide. Number 1, online reviews. Read their online reviews. Go to Google, go to Yelp, go to Facebook. Believe what they're saying. If you're seeing a lot of 1- and 2-star reviews, there's probably a reason for that. Number 2, they don't have a process. Every contractor should be able to walk you through their process when you're doing that initial consultation, letting you know what takes them from where they're at to where you're going. If they're winging it here, they're probably going to be winging it further down the road. Number 3, timeliness of response. How quickly do they get back to you when you first call in to schedule a consultation? After the consultation, how long does it take for them to get back to you with the information they said they would provide? These are going to be important things to pay attention to, because if it takes a long time now, it's going to take a long time while they're building, and you're going to be in a construction zone being very irritated that that's going on. These are 3 important red flags to look for when interviewing a contractor. For more information, visit our website at hdcbuild.com.